So hi and welcome to this video, and today we're going to talking about how to troubleshoot your cal.com booking calendar on your website. When you embed the calendar on your website, it's feel like something like that I'm showing you. So just copy the code, the React code, because I'm using Next.js. Okay, then this is my component. Here I'm going to paste it, and I use it in the page as a component render. Okay, let's see now. Okay, just see, I don't touch anything, but it's scroll down to this section. Okay, let's see another time. Just reload your website and see, it's automatically scroll down to these sections. Let me break down why it's happening, because this cal component is calling an API, which is this API force to focus function in the cal component. So what is happening when it's focused something in the website? So it's automatically scroll down this section. So this problem comes up when you want to add this calendar on your Framer website or Webflow website. Okay, so how to fix this? So if you go to online, I'm going to the blog post that I already shared. If I go to dev.2, you can see this post. Okay, so now here is the code. I will be linked it on there. Just copy the code and paste here. So now it's not coming nothing, right? Because this page not just exists. You have to give your namespace here and also the URL of this. So after doing that, it will comes up, no problem for that. So when our cal.com in our viewport section, then it will load. So after that, the focus function if run, no problem, because we already in this section. I hope it makes sense. Just Ctrl Z, and yeah, now it comes up. So just reload this. You see, there is no focus function running. So if I go there, I can see my calendar, hopefully. Yeah, this is it. Now people can book a meeting. Okay, so that's it. I hope it works and I hope it makes sense to you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.